Roberto.
Where are they from? There's bobcats, there's cougars. They really don't have any wolves.
I told you.
They have dwarves, or dwarf monkeys. That's so retarded. I want to see a wolf. What do you want to see? Okay.
Anything.
Yum. Get a shot of that.
No.
You don't want to get a shot of it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. Sorry, do you want to eat? I love it. What is it called? It's a...
I think you got, you know what?
Oh.
It's all applied.
It's like F this, I'm not moving. Oh, there's more. Oh, I like this one's horns better. They look like really pointy and crazy.
What's killing me? Oh, there's more.
They are so cute. How come people don't like keep these as pets? I wonder if they're crazy.
What? I won't keep it as pet. Look at it, it's so ugly.
You said look at it, it's so ugly. You think that those are ugly? He is so funny.
I bet he's so applied. He's cold.
Yeah, he's like, nope, too much for me. Ooh, what is this?
I don't know.
Some kind of a crazy wall. Oh, what's over here? What is this? Bobcats? I don't know why, but I'm freaked out. Where are they?
It is.
Bob?
Back there, like over there, back there. You see it over there?
Oh. What's it doing? Oh, it's so tiny. I thought it was gonna be like huge.
Mm-hmm.
Which way do we go? We don't know. This way that looks normal, or this way that's scary and haunted looking? Which way should we go?
Okay, here's the eagle view. No,
Oh, you want to go see eagles?
let's go.
I don't know. Are eagles cool? Oh God, I'm scared. This is really freaky, actually. It's gonna swoop and murder us. Eagles. Are they salmon?
Oh no.
Oh my God, it's getting me wet.
That's what I am.
Oh, that's why you didn't want to be near it?
How can you feel here? It's too cold in here.
It is?
Yeah.
Look, salmon of the wild. Oh my God, what is that?
Oh my God, the big one. Is that a shark?
It's a sturgeon, I think. Oh my God, this one's just hanging out while these other ones are all over it.
It's over here. Woo.
Oh my God.
Zoom on.
Here, dude, like up here.
Oh, they're just chilling in the sun. They're in the sun.
They're in the sun? You're in the sun?
Well, they're in the light, the heat lamps, but it keeps them warm. He's like, fuck it, I like it.
Well, I know. They're so fast. They're so like faster than
Try to see what try to talk to him, see if he says
They're so
anything.
fast.
Hey, Otter. They're really smart, apparently.
They're smart, yeah.
Why do they have so much air, like, coming out, like bubbles? What is that about?
I think it's the...
Like jets? They have little jets built into them. Hi. Hi.
Bad. It's funny, huh? It's like bad. You stink, huh? You stink. Bad.
It's cute.
He's so sweet.
Look at this one over there is tripping on those people. Oh, no, he's not. Okay. This is so crazy looking. Wait, I just want to record this. This is weird. What's going on? Why is it like a Wild West theme? Oh, do you want to go in? Look it. Welcome. Come on in.
Now let's keep.
It might be warm. You're so cold. Okay, left.
What is that?
Oh wait, it says more zoo. I think it's right.
This way. You know what you go? Have you been to that scary thing? It's like it's kind of like a theater. It's like
No.
And you go inside, you know, and you sit down, you know, on the chair. I don't know. It's like kind
It's
of
here?
like bouncy.
Is it here?
It's here, yeah.
Ooh, fun. Where is it?
I'll show you if I see it.
Oh my god, this is the fattest one. Oh, sorry. They looked at me like, fuck you.
This is train? It's big, huh? It's huge. Please eat.
It happened.
They're feeding them now.
See, the male pushed the female
Dude,
across
fish.
the all over. He knows what's wrong.
Do you want me to lift you up so you can see
He's
better?
walking it. He's walking in the middle.
They're gigantic.
They just threw some fish.
They just love fish. Look at that. Wow, just keep eating.
This one has a beard. They're so, like, gigantic.
They got 9 feet. So you can play basketball, you know what I mean?
That is crazy. They look like...
I got an extra kitty.
Look at his being, look. You got a being?
Yeah. Oh my god. Is it a girl? It's a girl. Glare.
Oh. So I mean, they got 4 hands. I mean, 4 hands.
I swear she sees that I have a camera.
Get up to his bed, that's all.
I want to see the other one. That other one is so cute.
Oh,
Oh, he's so smart! Oh my gosh!
put it on as a hat.
It's a hat! Oh my god!
Oh my god, that,
Oh my god.
that is so
That's
cute.
funny! Look at that playing with the football ball with him.
He's just hanging out with his football.
Yeah! Oh my god!
What's he doing to it? Oh, he's just sucking on it.
See? Come closer! Oh my god! Look at this!
He wanted to see you.
I guess.
Oh,
Where'd it go?
I don't know. He's like, no, I don't want to be on film.
He's fast. See? He's fast.
They're so cute. Ooh, he
eating
looks
grass?
scary over there.
I know this looks scary, yeah. He's a big one.
They're dangerous, I think, aren't
They
they?
are, I forget the fans. That's why.
The fence? Yeah.
The fence.
I thought you said the fan. I was like, the fans. My fans aren't in cages. Hi. Cute. I love them. Look at this one. Look at his little hands. Oh my god. Oh my god. I would be so bored in there.
I'll be born in there, yeah. I'll be bored, yeah. I think they do.
What are these ones' names? Oh, this is the Chloe
That,
Leah.
There's only 2 here.
and Delilah. I think one's in the other one. Which one's which? They all look the same. Like all their pictures are exactly the same. They're all cute though. I love them.